Dos.
No, start again. Start all over again.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis,
Come, hey, look at me. Say it loud and clear.
cuatro.
No, uno.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
And then seis.
Seis, cuatro, cinco,
No, seis,
seis,
siete,
siete,
ocho,
ocho, nueve,
9,
diez.
10.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Let's do it again.
Me.
Uno. Look at me.
No.
Come on, look at me. Look at me. Come on. I'm going to send it to Grandma.
I don't know see. I need water.
Yeah. Come on, I want to send this to Grandma.
I want to see all
Okay, we'll do it later?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want Grandma? Okay. Hey, do you want to show Grandma how you count in Spanish?
No.
Come on, look. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Look at Grandma's gonna watch this video. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say uno,
Uno, dos, tres,
cuatro,
cuatro, cinco,
seis,
seis,
siete,
siete, ocho,
nueve.
10.
Good job. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Okay. Say bye, Grandma. Great. Bye, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Okay.